It's freaking insane, guys. Hey, welcome. I'm so excited. My name is Fábio. Today I'm gonna tell you why you should join Builderall until 4th of July of 2019. Builderall 3.0 is coming out in a week, and you should join right now before the launch. Let me tell you why. Because if you join right now, you're gonna save a lot of monthly payments every month. Here's what's gonna happen if you join right now. What's gonna happen is, instead of you paying $69.99 per month, you're gonna pay only $49.99 per month. Another thing is, instead of you paying the $50 to be an affiliate for Builderall every year, if you join now, you don't have to pay that. Also, with the new compensation plan, if you join right now, you're gonna be on level 3, so you get level 3 recurring commissions if you join right now. So a lot of big things going on. The new compensation plan of Builderall, it's insanely powerful. I can see real growth with the company very soon because of the way that this is structured and the way that they are literally giving lots of money to affiliates that are promoting Builderall. The tools itself are freaking awesome. Here are 4 ways you can earn commissions with the new compensation plan. So you earn 100% commission on your first month, right? And the second way is, and you also earn recurring commission based on the points you get. And also you get commissions, you earn commissions based on custom retention. So the more time people stay on Builderall, you get also commissions for that. And the third way is the car bonuses. Before you had to wait to 100 active users. Now for every, I'm not sure, I think it's if you sell 10 business accounts, you get a car bonuses commission every month, which is I think 50 bucks every month. So there's 4 ways to get commissions. It's absolutely insane. You are absolutely nuts if you don't join right now. I mean, look at me, look at how excited I am for you. You're gonna save money right now. Because what happens is, people that buy before the 4th of July, they're gonna keep paying the same $49.99 per month for having the Builderall business account, which has incredible tools inside. The new tools, the new CRM, the new Canvas webinar tool, just tools for marketing, like the CRM tool where it integrates and tracks everything, so you know what's going on throughout the funnel, so you can follow up with your clients and all that kind of good stuff. You also have Magento, e-commerce by Magento, and you can get that all for $49.99 per month. For the rest of your life if you buy right now before the 4th of July. Actually, below this video on the comments, I will leave a link so you can go ahead and do that right now. Don't wait for it, or else you're gonna pay more later on and you're gonna regret it, because it's so much cheaper, and you also you don't have to pay the 50 bucks a year for being affiliate, and you also become level 3 right away. It's freaking insane, guys. So don't wait anymore. Just go below this video. I have the link. Grab your $49.99 per month Builderall, because after 4th of July of 2019, it's gonna cost $69.99 plus 50 bucks every year if you want to be an affiliate. So grab this opportunity, and you only pay $49.99 per month, and you don't have to pay the 50 every year, and you get all the tools that they're gonna come up with. It's an absolutely insane deal, guys. Don't wait anymore. If you are about to join Builderall, they're gonna freaking explode. They're gonna have loads of funnels for you to promote the tool. It's gonna be awesome. Join right now. Don't wait anymore. This is your opportunity. Cheers. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, smash that like button, and I will see you on the next video. Cheers.